Hey guys, welcome to our channel Digibat. And in the last video I told you that Instagram has launched a new shopping tab, a new feature. So today I am going to tell you how you can easily access, how you can use the Instagram shop tab for shopping purpose. Okay, how can you buy online through this shop tab? So see the video and how you can easily use that tab. So guys, click on the Instagram icon and now just at the bottom explore, and now here on the top you can see shop button. Now so below are some of the products you can easily buy, and click on the button again. Now so here are the brands, means whatever brands you are following. Okay, so according to that it will showcase you the products. Now here you can easily see there are lots of options. So this is the one of the shop. I click on that. Now here the pricing is mentioned, and now view on website. So when you click on that, it will redirect to the website. So it will redirect to here, and from here you can easily buy the product. You can add it in the cart and you can easily purchase it. See, so yeah, this is the t-shirt and here's the price, $14.40, add to cart. So when you add it, now so guys, it's an easy process guys. You can easily use the Instagram shop feature to buy products online just the same way as you does through the Flipkart or Amazon. Okay, lots of products are there. This is another product. Now here view products, click on that. It will showcase you the range of products here. Now this is again view on the website. So in this way you can easily access this shop feature on Instagram app. So guys, if you really like the video, please subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates. Thank you all.